Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are going to see some predictions on the Bitcoin, and as market has crashed, so we will see some of the altcoins which are best in terms of buying together in this dip. So as you know, whenever there is a dip, some people try to run away, and there are intelligent people who buy that dip and they invest in the project. So as you can see from our today's video which we have posted, so we predicted that the market will go into the downtrend and we can easily see a dip nearby like 32,500, and the exact prediction has worked. And now since the dip is running up, so let's analyze a bit on how more Bitcoin can dip and then what are the best altcoins to buy. So let's get this video started. So today morning, I posted a video of Bitcoin update where we have predicted that it will easily touch like from 34 to 34,200 area. So around, so in terms of the resistance part, so the major support is around like 28,500 to 30,000. So it hasn't reached the resistance part yet, but it is below around the support level. So the next good support for bit levels is 32,500, and we are already a bit above that, but there are chances the market can go down a bit. So we will be posting Bitcoin update mostly on daily basis, so please don't forget to review it on like daily trend. So if we see the trend from last 1 hour, so we can see there has been a bit of decline, but so we can see like all of the red candles in term of 1 hour. But if we look into, let's say, 4 hours chart, so overall you will see a big decline. So that means we are constantly expecting a bit decline. Hopefully, if we check the current resistance part, so it is at 31807. If Bitcoin falls below that particular level, so we could see a more decline that can go to maybe 29.5 or maybe 25. So that is the resistance level. So keep your eyes closed. So keep a close eye on your trade for those who are playing in future. So you have to manage your stop losses. But since the trend is going downwards, so I've added a bit of coins which I'm going to buy. And just so there are some old coins which have like fallen below their market value, and it is the best time to buy those coins. So let's look into them from one. So let's look into them one by one. So the first coin which we will be talking about is CRO, and let's discuss a bit. So if we talk about CRO, which is Chronos, and if we analyze the graph a bit, so if you see in term last 24 hours, it has fallen from 0.25 to currently 0.3. So let's look at the max part, because I know market will bounce back and it will bounce back very hard. So if you buy it right now, you can easily go back to 0.7. And the coins which I'm going to tell you is basically all of the altcoins, and they will give you 10x and 20x easily. And so that's the first coin, CRO. And the next one which we will be talking about is RNDR. So RNDR is basically a render coin, and let's review the graph a bit. So currently it is situated at $1.20 as per the current market trend. And if we go back to the max part, so it's back to maybe, let's say, let's take the higher value, could easily go back to 7.83. So from $1.20 to 7, it's a big jump, and you are easily looking at 30x or 40x. I'm not going to ask you to invest like tons of amounts. You can easily invest maybe $5 or $10 in each of the coin which we are going to discuss, because those are the altcoins which can give you potential of 5 to 10Ks. The next one is ADA. So ADA. ADA Cardano. So Cardano is currently situated at 0.66, and looking back to the maximum price, $3. So it will go double. And then the next one is Luna. And if we talk about Luna, So let's try to search it. So these all are utility coins, and some of the blockchains coin which are going to stay like for the longer run. So currently it has 68, and if I check the maximum price, so easily bouncing back to maybe 100 plus when the market bounce back, and easily you are looking at 40x. And the next one we will be talking about is KCS. So KCS is basically Q coin. It is expected that this coin can be future of blockchain like BNB. So still a good time to buy. Imagine if this one is going from 14 to 400 like BNB, good chance. So currently it is at 1464. Could easily bounce back to 20. Stable coin, good for the longer run. And next one is BTC, of course. So if somebody is a major investor, and let's say if you want to put 500 or 600 bucks, so currently it is at 32. I'm not going to talk about like, okay, let's go with the max price. So in terms of the max price, even if you jump on, let's say maybe 50, still you're looking at making it like 20x from that particular coin. And the next one will be XRP, Ripple, of course, one of the extreme volatile coin. You don't know how it will behave in a second. So it is at 0.53 as of now. And you guys know they have a case running in the court. If they win that case, this coin can be our next big thing. So let's look back to 1.5. So we are looking at jumping it back to probably 1. So again, so currently it is at zero point 0.5. It has not fallen much as like BTC has done, but you are easily expecting it to jump back from zero point 0.5 to 1, so which is 50x. So guys, these are some of the important coins which I wanted to highlight to buy in this particular crash or maybe correction. It's not 100% crash, because I can say like crash in terms of, let's say if BTC is maybe going to touch back to maybe 5 or 6, god forbid, hopefully that doesn't happen, but that is called as a pure crash. The one which we are seeing now is sort of market correction, and some of the geopolitical situation is impacting the Fed rates from the US. As you know, stock market is also down, so please keep a close eye when you are investing. And this is not a financial advice, it's just my analysis, because I'm going to invest in these coins. And please do your own research. But as I say, whenever there is a dip, as I always say, whenever there is a dip, it's the best time. Coins are on sale now, so even when you are going to shop, everybody loves sale. So this is also sale of coins. Good for good to hold these for the longer run. Probably you are looking at maybe 10 or 20x. So that's it from my today's video. So guys, that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.